Northern Colorado IMRG, Progressive Dinner Ride, October 2nd, 2021. The yearly Northern Colorado Indian Motorcycle Riders Group Progressive Dinner Ride is a chapter favorite, and is so much fun. A progressive dinner ride is where we enjoy a multiple course meal, but each course is at a different member's home that we ride to. During the progressive dinner ride, one member hosts appetizers at their home, and we ride there as our first stop. Then the group rides to someone else's house for soup or salad. When it's time for the main course, the group progresses to the next house, and then finishes the ride with dessert at the last member's home. For this ride, we started at the Indian Motorcycle of Fort Collins dealership, and rode to Greeley for appetizers at Rambo's auto dealership, then headed to Fort Collins where Scott had chili and salad for us. We then had the main course at Paulie and Susan's place also in Fort Collins. Afterward, we headed over to Severance to have dessert at Dan and Terri's. Our first stop of the progressive dinner ride was for appetizers at Rambo's auto dealership in Greeley, where he and Debbie provided an assortment of cheeses and crackers, and other bite-sized goodies. There, we also met Rambo's business partner Steve. Rambo had cleared a spot at the front of their car lot for us to park. We jokingly said he might put for sale signs on our bikes and sell them while we were indoors eating our appetizers. Our second stop was at Scott's house in Fort Collins, where we had chili and salad. The chili was very good, and if Scott ever asks you to guess the secret ingredient in his chili, it's allspice. But you didn't hear it from me. We had a fun time, and also had the pleasure of socializing with Scott's son, Gabriel. It was a short jaunt over to Susan and Paulie's, also in Fort Collins, for the main course. There, we had delicious tamales, pulled pork, and rice and beans. One time at Susan and Paulie's, Nate sat in a chair too close to the deck's edge, and managed to topple over. So they were kind enough to label chairs that were safe, or not safe, for Nate to sit in. All in all, it was a fun meal with awesome friends. Terri made the most delectable dessert assortment for us, including tiramisu, carrot cake, and other wonderful home-baked goodies. What a treat, and very satisfying way to finish off our progressive dinner ride. Dan and Terri's novelty garage was also very entertaining and enjoyable place to hang out. The annual Northern Colorado IMRG Progressive Ride was remarkable, with a day of socializing, riding, and eating with terrific friends. And we couldn't have asked for better weather. The food was so good, and I'm sure we all added a few extra pounds. A big thanks to everyone who hosted the stops, provided the food, and opened their homes for all of us to gather. This ride could not have been done without you.